Tangem, a product that I now have 2 sets of. What does that mean? I think that means that this is actually a decent product in my opinion. This is something for the beginners. I always recommend this to the beginners. Let's get to the unboxing. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Tangem 2.0 hardware wallet. This is the black version. Lol. I've already got the white version. You can check out my other video. It's a limited edition one if you guys wanted to have a look at that. It came out on the 25th of January. Funnily enough, so this, I don't even know why I'm cutting this. This is completely already torn. But yeah, funnily enough, this was a gift that was given to me. There's actually 2 in here, lol. 1, lol, and 2. Now, these are the 2 card version ones. I'm only going to be unboxing one of these. The reason I have 2 is because somebody gifted one to me. They wanted to get one for themselves and they gifted one to me, and they actually used my discount code, and that's probably why they bought me one as well, lol. You can use my discount code if you want 10% off their whole website. It's JBINZALA, so it's in the description below, and or it's just my YouTube and my alias name. But yeah, do put that in for 10% off across the whole website. But let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to leave one of these to the sides because at the end of the day, yeah, they gave me one. I don't want to ruin their experience of unboxing it. But yeah, let's begin with cutting it open. That was a very nice little slit on the side. Oof, that's some juicy ASMR. No, it wasn't. Anyways, this is the 2 card version. It's the black version. As I've already mentioned, I've got the white one, but the black one just looks so beautiful as well. I just told them, do you know what, you might have to get me one. I'll use this for some different purposes. But anyways, production month, April 2024. Interesting. Brand Tangem Plastic, size, it obviously gives you all that information there. Service life, 25 years. I just want to come to that. They basically say that this product, it lasts basically, they're giving 25 years warranty basically. Optimal performance tells you basically it can go through really cold weather and hot weather as well. And I think they've just recently done a test where it can go like very, very deep in the water as well, like in the sea. I think it's like 1,600 feet or something, or meters. Anyways, do Google that. I don't have the information right with me here. But anyways, let me show you what's in the box. Look at, wow. I have to appreciate the color profile here. Like, it looks amazing. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Ooh, look at that. Juicy, 2 of these. Wow. Beautiful. It's just so nice. They've obviously got that stuff for the serial numbers and stuff in the back. Obviously, I've actually got another video where you can watch my application walkthrough, which is something that I do. I'm going to be testing something on this as well, which I'll upload in the future. Sorry, I'm just appreciating this myself because I've not seen the black one like in real life. It's the first time. So that's actually beautiful. So you receive 2 of those cards in this. You get 3 card version as well. There's some minute price difference. The person that got me, they're never gonna they're gonna keep it secure, so that's why they don't want 3. My white version, I got 3 because I personally would get 3, not 2, because if you lose one, at least you have 2 left, and then you can change the password, the access codes, and then you can basically transfer money over and then basically replicate it again. I'm just security conscious. But anyways, getting started, you get this little slip here, downloading the Tangem app and how to use it. Just to let you guys know that obviously it's a high security, it's battery free. Reason is this is actually NFC. It's an NFC hardware wallet. It's water resistant and extended use 25 years warranty that they give. But yeah, so as I said, it's an NFC product, so terms of use. It's the standard malarkey here. Yeah, I don't know if anybody reads any of this, but yeah, apparently it's manufactured in Switzerland. Interesting fact. They say that, but I've every one that I've received, it's been from like Latvia and stuff in Europe and stuff like that. I don't know if maybe they are manufactured in Switzerland and then what do you call it? Their warehouse is in other countries. I don't know. I really don't know. So I just wanted to show you a lineup of the box and how small the packaging is. In addition, I just wanted to show you the white Tangem card as well, just for a quick comparison. But yeah, as I said, I do have a video on that. And I don't think it's available anymore. It's just a limited edition one. But just to go over a few bits, obviously this is the highest chip security standard that it uses, an EAL6, and it's got IP68 and obviously environmental protection, which it has. It's counterfeit protected as well. You're always ready to go with this, and it's just basically a chip with an antenna because it's NFC. That's all it is. And as I said, if you do want to purchase one of these, just go on to my link below, use my code JBINZALA, and you will get 10% off your whole order. It's very, very cheap. So I do want to mention here that this is the go-to hardware wallet that I mentioned to any beginner. It's just so easy to set up and it's very easy to use as well. So they've got an app. Their app is good as well. They're actually very quickly expanding to many other crypto assets that they're supporting, which is excellent. This is what I want to see. There are obviously some improvements that I want to see from these products. They're releasing new innovations as well. This company is actually very good. They're new apparently as well. They're not that old, but I do like all of their products. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please do pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you like videos about crypto, life, unboxings and stuff like this, do watch my other videos. I've got quite a few other videos now and many shorts, lol. And yeah, comment down below if you have anything that you want to say specifically to me. I do respond usually to my comments. And yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time in my next video. Take care all. Bye bye. See ya.